Welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at 3 of the most popular emergency antibiotic kits from Duration Health, Contingency Medical, and JASE Medical to help you decide which company might suit your needs better. So if you decided that you want to pick up emergency antibiotics but you're not sure which company you should go with, this video will help make it easier for you to decide. All 3 of these companies can deliver antibiotic kits right to your front door in a matter of days, so you can keep them on hand and have access to them whenever you might need them. Just a quick disclaimer, I do own kits from Duration Health and Contingency Medical, but not JASE, and the information about them was collected from their website. So if you have experience with JASE, let me know if there's something I missed down in the comments below. As tensions rise with China, I've been starting to get really concerned about supply chain issues and my ability to access potentially life-saving prescription medications for me and my family, and I've been trying to get as many things squared away for preparedness as possible, and for me, medications are next, right in line behind having access to water and food, which is what led me towards exploring these different companies in the first place. Also, if you find this video helpful and want to support the work that I do to make videos like this one, please use the links down in the description below if you want to purchase any of these kits or if you just want to check them out to learn more. Alright, so the first thing I want to talk about is the purchase and prescription process, which was actually a different process between these companies, and depending on your preference, one of these might suit you better than the other. All 3 of these companies do require you to fill out an online questionnaire with some basic questions, but Duration Health does require a brief video call with one of their doctors before prescribing you the medications for your kit, while Contingency Medical and JASE Medical do not, and I was a bit surprised by the differences here. My phone conversation with the doctor at Duration Health only took about 15 minutes, and I told him that my reason for ordering the kit was emergency preparedness, which is actually one of the main reasons people purchase this kit in the first place, and after a brief review of my medical history and a review of the antibiotics I was allergic to, he went ahead and told me a little bit about each of the medications I was receiving and when it might be appropriate to use them, and the process was relatively simple. With Contingency Medical, all you need to do is fill out a brief questionnaire, state what your purpose is for getting these medications, and submit a copy of your ID, and that's pretty much all there was to it. The process of getting the medication approved was a little bit faster, and if you are concerned about your privacy and you don't feel like you want to speak with a doctor, then this might be a better route for you to go. JASE Medical's process is supposed to be pretty similar to Contingency Medical's, with no direct consultation with the physician, unless the answers from your survey indicate that you need one. But again, I have not been through this process myself, so if your experience was different, please let us know down below. If you are taking any other medications at the moment, or you're worried about your potential health risks, or if you just have some questions that you'd like answers to, there's a huge benefit in going with Duration Health over Contingency Medical and JASE. Next up, we're going to take a look at some of the different prescription medications offered from each of these companies, and I put together a little spreadsheet to help make things a little bit easier for you to visualize. And on the left, we've got the name of the medication. To the right of that, its use case, whether or not these companies offer it, and which kit they come in. And I'll leave a link down below in case anybody wants to take a closer look at these medications. The basic medications offered by these companies are similar, and they will treat most of the common infections you'd be likely to come across, like pneumonia, ear infection, throat infection, skin infections, UTI, and other bacterial infections. But Duration Health definitely has a much wider offering when it comes to the upgrades you can get, including a special kit that's designed for children. This is definitely something that you're going to want to keep in mind. Duration Health also offers EpiPens, which are great if you're worried about severe allergic reactions, a handful of medications more geared towards women's health, Tamiflu, breathing medications, and a more in-depth variety of medications that might be useful when it comes to traveling. Contingency Medical also has a few more options when it comes to traveling medication as well. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at the kits that I have. Duration's Health kit comes in a bright orange carrying case, and the meds you ordered come in the top zippered compartment along with a field guide, which is a great resource that can help you figure out the best course of action for treatment depending on your symptoms. And this is fantastic to have if you're worried about not being able to communicate with a doctor or there's some type of grid down scenario. There's also a large zippered compartment on the bottom, and you can use this space to store additional over-the-counter medications. And this is a really nice setup, and I'm a big fan of this whole package because it's really easy to keep track of, and we typically take this kit with us anytime that we travel. Contingency Medical's kit comes in a nice black case with a hard shell, and this is their Go Pack, so it does have a few medications specific to travel as well as the standard antibiotics that come in all of their kits. It also comes with a small field guide, which you can keep in the kit, and also a printout with more in-depth information on each of the medications in the kit. This size is definitely more of a travel-friendly size, however you aren't really left with a whole lot of extra room to bring along any of the other meds that you might need. Again, I don't have the JASE Medical kit, but from what I can see online, it comes in a mint green case, and it's more compact, but there's not a whole lot of extra room in here to store any additional medications. However, it does also come with a guide that will help you determine which medications to use and when. We're going to finish things up with a quick discussion about price. And as far as base pricing goes, all these kits are very comparable, with Duration Health's kit coming in at $249, down from $299 after using the coupon code Urban Survivor. Contingency Medical comes in at $259, and JASE Medical coming in at $269. And you do get roughly the same basic medications across all three kits, with the exception of one additional medication in Duration Health's kit. If you want to upgrade to a family kit, the pricing does jump up to $399 and includes one adult and one child, and you can add on an additional adult to any kit for $99 and an additional child for $199. Pricing for the add-ons are not currently listed on the website for Duration Health, but after the consultation with the doctor, you should be able to see the price for those add-ons before deciding if you want to purchase them or not. Contingency Medical's Ready Pack comes in at $259, and the Ready Pack Plus is $299 and contains larger quantities of the prescription medications, and the Go Kit is similar to the Ready Pack with a few additional travel-related medications coming in at $279. JASE Medical's kit comes in at $269, and another option they have is for Canadian residents, and the price for that kit is $339. Hopefully this breakdown makes it a little easier for you to decide which emergency antibiotic kit you want to go for. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below, and I would really appreciate it if you use my links if you decide to purchase any of these kits, as it will help me continue to make more videos like this one.